We're going to make a stacked bow. Now this could be a wreath bow. It's just a stacked bow. I'm just going to lay this down in here, tuck the end underneath. And I'm going to start with our bumblebee ribbon. I'm just going to twist it, fold it back over, and twist, fold and twist, fold and twist. Well, it's spring and everyone wants to get in the mood of springtime. Leave that there. Take my green gingham check. And fold it back and forth. And just fold and twist. So all I'm doing here is just folding and twisting. So fold and twist, fold and twist. Actually, I'm just going to leave that as a tail laying down there. So I'm just going to dovetail this. And again, we have our 1.5 inch wide ribbon that matches our gingham check and matches our bumblebee. So all of these ribbons come in multitude of widths. And fold and twist. And I'm just going to make a half a loop in the center. Give everything a good scrunch. And bring this back up here. Pull it through my slip knot. Pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Separate my ends. Bring it around to the back. And tie it off. Knot it. Yeah, I love this ribbon. I think it's so pretty. So cheery and springy and even summery. And I'm just pulling my loops through either side. You can see it coming together. And as you can see, we have this beautiful bow that just came out so pretty and so cheery and summery.